Having worked for more than 30 years in Finnish, American and Korean corporations, I've seen firsthand how challenging, how really demanding on the employees it can be to be in today's work life. Obviously, this is not getting any easier, as we're not only competing with other human beings, but also gradually, to an increasing extent, with artificial intelligence, robots and other mechanical and electronic beings, if you will. At the same time, I think it's very important to note that we should retain our humanity. At the very core of being a human being, we have decision making. We should be in the driver's seat, making the decisions, choosing where to go ourselves, but also as an organization. Secondly, we should also be able to motivate ourselves, to be determined, to be able to reach larger goals as well in the long run. Thirdly, being able to focus on what's relevant in the here and now is crucially important. Obviously, we're being hit by signals, by calls, by demands, by orders, by requests in many ways from many directions every day. So being able to be really fully focused on what I'm doing here and now for a certain period of time, for some minutes or hours, is something which is a lot easier said than done. Having said all of this, it's very clear that it's important not only to develop individuals but also organizations. In other words, being able to help people collaborate effectively, communicate and work together. And that's what I've been doing for the past 30 years, both in corporations, as I said, in different countries, as well as in startups here in Finland. So what I'm doing currently as the managing director of FIBAN, the Finnish Business Angels Network, is to help startups and investors develop themselves so that they can work increasingly skillfully as human beings in the world of the 2020s.